Hello students, today we are starting with another new lesson, lesson number 1.7, Paramvir Chakra. Well students, do you know what is Paramvir Chakra? This is a Paramvir Chakra and it is a medal which we call as PVC, means Paramvir Chakra. So we will learn what is Paramvir Chakra, who are our heroes. So once again I repeat the lesson name. Lesson number 1.7, Paramvir Chakra, our heroes. So through this lesson we will understand what is Paramvir Chakra and who are our heroes and who has made this medal. So shall we start our lesson? So come, we will go through this lesson. You may have heard about legendary heroes of the past and their extraordinary act of bravery. But even today, many brave soldiers of our country sacrifice their own lives for our safety. Their brave deeds are honored by bestowing military decoration on them. First of all, legendary means very famous. Extraordinary means something special presenting. Then, bravery, a courageous person. Deep means action, and bestowing means giving up their life on something. So we will understand this paragraph. As you all know, there are many legendary heroes now also. Legendary heroes means not a TV or film star heroes. Legendary heroes are the military or air force or navy people who gives their life for the country. They are known as the legendary heroes, who has gave their life to save us. For our safety, they have sacrificed their life. Paramvir Chakra is the Indian highest military decoration. It is awarded for the most auspicious bravery or some daring or pre-eminent act of valor or self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea or in the air. Now, Paramvir Chakra is said as India's highest military decoration. Decoration means award, which is given to the people who has shown their auspicious bravery, means outstanding sacrifice without any fear. Pre-eminent means greatest efforts. Valor means brave. And self-sacrifice means giving up their life for other person or for the country. Paramvir Chakra is a very rare honor. So far it has been awarded only 21 times. 14 of these awards were given posthumously. Now till now this award has given 21 times, but in that 21 time 14 award was given as posthumously, means after the death of the person, means who has fighted for the country and that person has died. So to that person also has given this award for showing their bravery or courageousness for the country. So they has got this award after their death. So we will move on to our lesson ahead. The medal itself is very simple in appearance. Appearance means look of the medal. It is made of bronze and it is fitted with swivel mountain. Swivel means turn. We can turn it both the side. And has a plain purple ribbon. Ribbon, as you know, the ribbons which we tie. On the obverse, it has the Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by 4 replica. Replica means an exact copy. How replica in our coins, or it is written like that. Of Indra Varza. Varza means a weapon. On the reverse, the word Paramvir Chakra are engraved in Hindi. Engrave means to curve or cut the design or the text to be written. It's called engraved in Hindi and English with 2 lotus flower in between. So this paragraph, this is our Paramvir Chakra medals design as we can see. So it is a look of this medal is very simple and its color is bronze, and with both the side we can turn and see the medal. Front side there is the mountaining swivel, means we can turn. The swivel means turn, and replica of Indra Varza. The Varza means a weapon. As I said in the explanation, the weapon is in the fourth side has a replica. And backside in Hindi and in English, Paramvir Chakra is written, and the lotus flower is in middle. The Paramvir Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanorkar. She was a European lady who married Vikram Khanorkar, an Indian army officer. Savitribai loved India and took Indian citizenship. She spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently and had studied Indian arts and traditional in the depth. First of all, students, Savitribai Khanorkar, she has designed this Paramvir Chakra medal for our legendary people. Now she has married Vikram Khanorkar. He was an Indian military army officer. So she has designed this Paramvir Chakra. Now you know one more thing about Savitribai. She was a European lady. She loved India so much that she took the Indian citizenship and she learned all languages of India. So mostly she learned Marathi, Sanskrit and Hindi fluently, like she has born in India only, like that she used to speak these three languages. With this she has studied arts and traditionals in the depth, means deeply she has learned about arts and traditional of India. We will move on to further. Indravarza or thunderbolt is supposed to be a matchless weapon. But what makes the weapon invincible is the supreme sacrifice of sledge Dahalchi. Now thunderbolt means lightning. Like in a rainy season, how thunder lights come, like a thunderbolt it is said. Lightning, flash lighting. Invisible, overcome. Danchi means a saint man. He was a saint person. So what he has done, Danchi saint, we will learn to the rest paragraph. According to the legend as I said, very well known person. Thousands of years ago, a demon had stolen. Demon means enemy. All the water in the world. Innocent means all the innocent people were suffering and dying without water. This demon could not be defeated by any extraordinary weapon made of ordinary materials like woods, metal, etc. Something extraordinary was required. It was learned that Sledge Dalchi had bones of such extraordinary power. But how could one ask for the bone of living man? Sledge Dalchi was a noble person. He himself laid down his life and gave his own bones to help the people. Indravarza or Indra weapons of thunderbolt was fashioned from this bone and demon was defeated. Just as Indravarza derived the power of Sledge Dalchi's bone, the Indian military derives its strength and power for the sacrifice of bravest of the brave, Paramvir Chakra holder. Now first of all, Sledge Dalchi, he was a saint. Now one day in one village, one demon came. The demon means the enemy, and he has stolen all the water from their place, all the water of the world. So people were dying because of not getting water to drink. So to kill that demon, ordinary weapons such as knife or a woodka knife, nothing can be used to defeat that man, or metal anything. But to finish or to kill that demon, they required some extraordinary weapon. And they came to learn that the weapon will be made by Dalchi's bone. But how someone can ask a bone from a living person, means that Dalchi Baba was a living man, means he has not died, he is still living. So how they can ask from him that we want your bone to kill the demon? But some or the other way, this Dalchi came to know that they can kill this demon by his bone. So he has given his own life. He self killed himself and said, now you all can use my bones to kill this demon. And after his death, they has made his bone as a weapon to kill that demon. It is called as the Indravarza weapon, thunderbolt. So this is the weapon which we can see in the picture. and by that weapon they defeated the demon. So Indian army or military people derive his braveness of bravery. Through this, the Paramvir Chakra holder got the confidence to sacrifice their life for the country. These are the 21 bravest people of a Paramvir Chakra. So we will see these are the 21 peoples. So one by one I read out their names. Major Somnath Sharma, Lance Naik Karam Singh, Second Lieutenant Rama Raghoba Rane, Nayak Jagunath Singh, Company Havaldar Major Puri, Captain Gurbar Singh Salre, Major Dhyan Singh Thapa, Subedar Jogidar Singh, Major Shestan Singh, Company Quarter Master Havaldar Abdul Hamid, Lieutenant Colonel Idris Burji Tarpor, Lance Naik Albert Eke, Second Lieutenant Arun Khetrpal, Major Hoshar Singh, Naib Subedar Bana Singh, Major Ramaswamy Paraswaram, Lieutenant Major Kumar Pandey, Girandar Joginder Singh Yadav, Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, Captain Vikram Batra, Flying Officer Nirmal Jeet Singh Sekon. Now we will continue with our further lesson. Flying Officer Nirmal Jil Selcon 10877FP PVC. PVC means Paramvir Chakra, and this number is his batch number 10877. Squadron number 18. Squadron means a group, the group of the people, the Flying Bullets. On the 14th of December 1971, Srinagar airfield was attacked by a wave of 6 enemies of Sabra aircraft. Flying Officer Nirmal Jil Selcon was on readiness duty at. Readiness means ready for the duty, and Sabra means sword. That time he could not take off immediately because of cloud of the dust raised by another aircraft. By the time the runway was clear, the enemy aircraft were overhead. They were flying low, firing and attacking the airfield with bombs. Even then, Flying Officer Selcon took off in his Gant fighter. The moment he could, he began to combat the powerful Sabra jet aircraft of the enemy. He damaged 2 of them. His fight with the attacking aircraft now continued at the treetop height. At the last, the enemy aircraft fled from the scene of the battle. The airfield and the town of Srinagar were saved, but else Flying Officer Selcon aircraft too crashed and he was killed. Flying Officer Selcon displayed the great flying skill and determination in the face of certain death. He showed unmatched heroism above the beyond the call of the duty. Salute to the bravest of the brave, Flying Officer Nirmal Jeet Selcon. Now, Flying Officer Nirmal Jeet Selcon. He was on duty on 14 December 1971. Now, there was attack. Sabra means a sword. There was attack on the airfield. Airfield means a place where the aircrafts have been landing and taking off. So there were attack from the enemy. So that time Nirmal Jil Selcon was on duty. As he saw there was attack was going on the airfield, he was ready. He was immediately ready to take his aircraft, but due to the dust in the cloud by the other airfield, he was not able to take a overhead to his aircraft, and they were attacking and firing and bomb blasting were going on the airfield, and like that airfield were being damaged. But as soon as the cloud dust were cleared, he took his gun fighter to fight with the enemy, and like that the fight were going. Jet aircraft fight of the Sabra was going on. he was fighting with the enemy. And at the tree top height, means above the tree level height, the attacking was continued. And at last, finally, the scene of the battle of the aircraft were been saved, means he has saved the airfield of Srinagar. Two airfield of the Srinagar were saved. The town Srinagar was saved by the attack of the Sabra enemies. And but what happened? Flying Jai Singh's aircraft got crashed and he was killed. So this is the Nirmal Jit Silcon, and this is the airfield which has been got crashed and he has been killed. So now the people remember his braveness for bravery of heroism and flying skill determination, that how great flying skill he had, and without any help he alone has saved the Srinagar battle from the Sabra enemy. So now we salute to the bravest of the brave, Flying Officer Nirmal Jit Selcon. So we give a salute to all the Paravir Chakra heroes. A grand salute to all the heroes. Thank you, class.